Hey everybody, today at Charleston Crafted we are going to show you how to buff out some minor scratches in a nice piece of wooden furniture using Mohawk's Buff and Polish Kit. This thing is awesome, has lots of different styles of buffing cloths and some really good compounds that will take those scratches right out, fill them up, and your wooden furniture will look good as new. Let's show you how to do it. First, use your micro mesh sanding cloths to buff down the area that you need to refinish where you have the scratch. Wrap them each around the cork block and work for the progressions from 2400 grit all the way to 12,000 for best results. The next step is to use the medium polishing compound to work into your scratches. Squirt it directly onto your surface, then use a clean cloth to work it into each of the scratches. Use a circular motion with your cloth to make sure you work it into each part of your surface. For deeper and more stubborn scratches, also use the fine polishing compound and work that in the exact same way, using small circular motions to work the compound into the surface. If you have just a minor hairline scratch at the beginning, you can just use the extra fine polishing compound and not have to use both. Alright y'all, we have buffed and polished this whole thing and it turned out great. We really like how easy it is to get the little minor dings and scratches out of a beautiful piece of furniture. This is a simple process so you don't have to sand down and completely refinish a piece of furniture that you have. If you want to keep the look of your furniture but just clean it up a little bit, using the Mohawk Buff and Polish Kit is a great way to do that. If you like this video and you want to see others that we do, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Click over to the link below to go get your Buff and Polish Kit from Mohawk and check out some of the other great products they have. We'll see you around.